Hey, my fantastic friends! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today, this video will be having a brand new type of quiz. You'll be saying all kinds of famous 67 memes, cursed edits, brain-rotting moments, but there's one rule. Don't say the same thing I do. Think fast, react faster, and don't forget to comment your answers below. Ready? Deep breath. Let's break your reflexes. Round 1. Avoid saying the same thing as me. Name a brain rot meme. Don't overthink it. Boom! Mine is tongue sahur. Name a YouTuber. Which one do you have in mind? Mine is Mr. Beast. Did you get the same as mine? Comment your answers below. Don't be sneaky. Name a number. Of course, mine is 67. I bet a lot get caught by this. Which 67 meme version hits harder for you? The original 67.1 or manual version of it? Original Vibes Gang. Show your love by like this video. Manual team, comment number 67 below to show your spirit. Name a social media app. I like doom scrolling, so my answer is Instagram. What's yours? Name an Italian brain rot character. Say it fast or it doesn't count. Mine is Bombardino Crocodilo. Name a holiday. Mine is New Year. In case I don't see you, Happy New Year. Name a new number meme. This one is easy to me, 2721. Name a song. Golden is my favorite. Which song would you rather vibe to? Golden Song by the Huntrix or the legendary 67 song, Unstoppable?
Hiding in between, and every time you hear that number.
Name a movie. That's Five Nights at Freddy's 2 for me. Name an animal. My answer is gorilla. Name a viral meme. I choose the 100 men versus 1 gorilla one. Would you join the fight of 100 men's versus 1 gorilla if Mr. Beast is there too? Yes or no? Be honest. Comment on your choice right now. Name a Netflix series. I love Stranger Things. Name a dinosaur. Mine is T-Rex. All right, this one's tricky. 2 images look identical at first glance, but 3 things are off. Try to find them. Oh yeah, there goes the answers. Did you get them all? Name a Disney movie. Zootopia 2 is my answer. Did I cut off your answer streak? Name a brain rot parody song. Mine is Brain Rot Song by Recreate Studio. Last one, name a wicked for good character. It's always Glinda for me. Okay, be honest. How many times did you fail? If you survived without copying a single word, respect. Drop a comment telling us where you messed up, hit like if this challenge fried your brain, and follow for more 67 meme chaos coming next. Same challenge, harder rules, zero mercy. See you in the next video. Quiz Slice out.